Good evening. Good morning. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. How are you? Good morning, all my dear young friends. How are you doing? All my dear young friends, how are you doing this morning? You guys can send me a good morning message in the chat along with your name so that I know who is replying. How are you doing this morning? You can tell me in the chat box that how are you doing this morning? A very good morning to all of you. Hope all of you had your breakfast, are freshened up, and are ready for a session of mathematics. So, welcome to me and math classes and this live YouTube session today, this early morning. So, whoever is listening, you can write your name in the chat box along with your good morning message. Okay, so you can write a good morning message or anything you want to write along with your name. So, we have this one rule that you have to write your name uh, with every message you send. Okay, like if you are answering a question also you have to write your name along with it so that I get to know who is speaking. Okay, so good morning to all of you, and let's start our fun session of mathematics on me and math classes YouTube live. Okay, so very good morning to all of you, and let's begin. Okay, so the topic for today will be money. All right. So we studied or we discussed a bit about money in our last YouTube session, and I hope you remember that also, and we'll add to that today also, and we will do a small revision. Then we'll start doing some questions. But whatever you have to write in the chat box, you can write along with your message. You can write your name so that I know who you are. So if you are saying good morning or something, or you have to write your answer, you can write your answer or your good morning message along with your name so that I know who am I speaking to. Okay. So our topic today is money. All right, and we'll. Okay, Sarthak, Samarth, and Sanvi are here. Yeah, very good, very good. Samar, Sarthak, Sanvi are here. A very good morning to all three of you. This morning, my dear students, so we will be discussing about money today, and we'll do a small revision, and then we'll do questions on it. Okay, then we'll do some questions on the concept of money. All right. So before that, as you know, what we do is we reveal the star student of the week. Let's see who is the star student of the week or who are the star students of the week. Okay, okay. So the star students of the week for this week are Adam Johan and Bhagat Singh Punia. So many congratulations to them and how they have become the star students of the week. As you know, they have attended their classes, the weekly classes, regularly, the three classes, and sometimes they attend the doubt discussion class also. And then what these students do, they do their homeworks regularly and they do them well and correctly and score a good score in those homeworks also. And they never miss their classes. They attend their classes and are attentive in the class, listen to the teacher, and then do their homeworks really well. And if you can also do these things, you can also come on YouTube like this and become the star student of the week on Me and Math YouTube live channel. And then you can tell your friends that, see, I am on YouTube, isn't it? So I hope to see Samarth, Sarthak, Sanvi, and many other students, whoever is listening to us today, uh, on the Star Student of the Week screen. And I hope next week I'll get to see many more students to whom I am talking today on the Star Student of the Week screen. All right. So congratulations to Bhagat Singh Punia as well as Adam Johan. All right, let's move on. Okay. So so we start with a, as you know, with a riddle. So the riddle is, what has many rings but no fingers? There are rings in it. You know, your mom wears the ring and puts it in her finger. So something has many rings but no fingers. What is it? There is a hint also on the screen. So in order to wake up and be quick, can you tell me? This will help you. This is the brain activity for the YouTube live session. This helps you wake up and get ready for the rest of the class. So tell me, Samar, Sarthak, Sanvi, and everybody else who has joined, you can tell me what has many rings but no fingers. Sarthak, Samar, Sanvi, and everybody else. Who will answer? Who will tell me that what has many rings but no fingers? Yes, I'll be waiting in the chat box. What has many rings but no fingers? There is a uh, hint also on the screen, so I don't think it should be difficult for you guys. So, what has many rings but no fingers? All right, all right. So let's disclose the answer. So the answer is a phone, isn't it? So a phone has many rings but no fingers, isn't it? Samar, Sarthak, Sanvi, do you get it? A phone rings many times, isn't it, when somebody calls? So it has many rings, but it has no fingers. It's not like that ring which you put on a finger, isn't it? So the answer is that what has many rings but no fingers will be a phone, or a mobile phone, or a phone generally at your home, right? Okay, okay. Let's move on. Now we have many learners here, who join us every week and answer like Samar, Sarthak, and Sanvi, and others like Trijal and others. Many students join us every week, and they are very regular and they are very interactive in the morning, and they uh, answer questions along with their names really well. And I would take this opportunity to appreciate them, and I would tell them, students like Samarth, Sarthak, Sanvi, Trijal, Adam Johan, and everybody else who joins us early in the morning from grade second and answers all questions really well. That they are, I must say that these learners are well appreciated, and we like to continue this interactive session of YouTube with you guys every Sunday in the morning at 10 a.m. All right. So let's discuss a bit about money. Okay. So who will tell me among you guys that 100 paise, I told you last time also, 100 paise is equal to how many rupees? 100 paise is equal to how many rupees? Who will tell me? Come on. Along with your answer, you can write your name. 100 paise is equal to 100, how many rupees? Come on, I told you this last time, and I know you have studied this at your in your classes also. So tell me, 100 paise is equal to how many rupees? Very easy question. This will help you revise. Yes, beta. 100 paise are equal. Okay, Sanvi, very good, Sanvi. Sanvi has given the right answer. It is indeed 1 rupee. 1 rupee, or one, when 1 rupee is there, we can say it has 100 paise in it, isn't it? Similarly, we can say that then from the same logic, we can say that 2 rupees has 200 paise in it. Okay, and so on. 3 rupees has 300 paise in it, isn't it? Yes, Samar. Yes, Sarthak. Very good. 1 rupees from all of you. The answer is, so what, 100 paise is 1 rupees, 2 rupees is 200 paise, and so on. This conversion we need to remember when dealing with money, and when we'll do questions or problems based on money. Also, as you know, you should remember that money can be in terms of coins. So money, you can give a shopkeeper, for example, if you go to buy a toy or a chocolate or a let's say a pencil or a eraser or an eraser. So what do you give the shopkeeper? You can give money in form of coins, isn't it? So sometimes 1 rupee coin is there, 2 rupee coin is there, 5 rupee coin is there, then 10 rupee coin is also there. All right. Now nowadays even 20 rupee coin can be there, but this can be in the form of coins and also in the form of paper money. Okay. Paper money, usually there are notes. It's like in the form of paper notes, which you must have seen in the pocket, or the purse of your mom or dad. So there is paper money also. So for example, it is written there, rupees 5 or rupees 10 there, or 20, 50, 100, and so on. So these paper currency can all be, when you say currency, currency also means money. 100 and 200 and 500. These currency notes are freely available, which you can spend. Nowadays, you can even do with in the form of digital money. Digital money means what? You just transfer the money with the help of your mobile phone apps, isn't it? In that way, transactions are also happening. That is, you can buy or sell stuff. Money helps us buy or sell stuff, isn't it? With the help of money, if I give money to somebody, I can buy something from them. Or if I take money from somebody, I can, if I have any good or service. Goods means I have some stuff I can give them, for example, a chocolate or a toy or anything. If I am a shopkeeper, you give me money, I can give you my toy or anything else, isn't it? Or service means that, what service means is that, if I am some, uh, you know, uh, an employee or something, a work I can do. I can, for example, your washing machine is not working, and you can give me money, and I'll attend to your washing machine, and I'll get it fixed. That is called a service. So for both goods and services, you can spend money, okay, and with the help of money, you can get goods and services. So digital money is also there. Means you can similarly transfer money to somebody, whether it will be 1, 2, 5, 10 rupees, or 5, 10, 20, 50. Then it eliminates the need of any paper or coin currency. Then you just transfer the money digitally with the help of your mobile phones or computers. Okay. So but usually, um, what we do and how you have to understand money is in the form of coins and paper money, and then digital, the logic remains same, that how much money is there, how much money is left, or how much, with how much money I can buy, how much total money was spent, isn't it? And the operations or money are also the same, like I told you last week. So so if you are adding, as I told you, when you are adding or subtracting money, try to bring it in the same currency. Okay, that means in the same unit. So you do not add 2 rupees with 200 paise. See, 2 rupees with 200 paise. If I start adding, then I'll straight away say 202. No, I have to convert 2 rupees into paise, because if this is paise here, if this is rupees here, you cannot add or subtract this. So what you have to do is 2 rupees will become what? 1 rupees is 100 paise, 2 rupees is 200 paise, isn't it? So 200 paise plus 200 paise, now it will become. So now the units have become like, meaning this is also in paise, this is also in paise. So the addition becomes how much? 400 paise. Now you can add them properly because both of them are in paises. So 400 paise, it will become, at 400 paise we know is equal to rupees 4. You do not say 2 rupees plus 200 paise is 202. No, because one is in rupees, one is in paise. You do not add like this. You convert them both in the same unit. So 200 paise plus 200 paise becomes 400 paise, and then you can just convert the paise into rupees. Okay, so there's a way of even converting paise to rupees. So if there are 3 digits, I'll tell you this trick also for your grade, that if for example there are 300 paise, okay, in order to do it quickly, when passes are being converted to, yes son, very good. When passes are being converted to rupees, you just, and there are zeros at the end, you just eliminate the two zeros, you just eliminate them when passes are being converted to rupees, and it will become 3 rupees. And when rupees, for example 2 rupees, are converted to paise, you will just multiply 2 with 100, because 1 rupees is 100 paise, 2 rupees will be 2 multiplied by 100, which is 200 paise. Okay, so what are the two ways of conversion, so that they come in the same unit? 300 paise, if I have to convert it to rupees, when the passes involve zeros, you can just eliminate the last two zeros, and whatever is left, that 3 is the digit that is left, eliminate means you can rub them, then I can write it as 3 rupees, and then 2 rupees becomes 2 into 100 paise. Okay, now when reverse conversion is happening, passes to rupees, eliminate two zeros, rupees to passes, multiply that number with 100. Okay, so these are the basics of money which you need to remember before doing the question. Now let's move on to our questions. Okay, very easy question. Samar, Sarthak, Sanvi, and others. I know you guys can do it. So tell me, Diksha bought the following gift boxes. What is the total amount paid by her? Meaning you have to find the total amount. See, this box, this, if you cannot see it properly, this box is for 25 rupees, and this box is for 54 rupees. So Diksha has bought the following two boxes. Now this is for 54 rupees. This is for rupees. This is the symbol of rupees, isn't it? This is how rupees are also written. So this is rupees 25 and this is rupees 54. What is the total amount paid by her? So if one box is for rupees 54, one is for 25, what is the total amount paid by her? Yes? Who will tell me? So you guys can answer along with writing your name. I'll be waiting. So if Diksha bought the following gift boxes, what is the total amount paid by her? So she paid 25 rupees 25 for gift box number 1 and rupees 54 for gift box number 2. Okay, Sanvi and then Sarthak and then Samarth have answered D, rupees 79. Okay, okay. So how would you do this question? I think they are right. So how would we do this question? In order to find the total amount paid, we have to add the rupees of both the gift boxes for what I paid. So 20, this is an addition problem, isn't it? 25 plus 54, because if I paid 25 for one gift box, rupees 54 for another gift box, what do I do? Yes, Sanvi, very good. Sanvi has given the logic also. She has written in the chat box 54 plus 25. 5 plus 4 at the ones place becomes 9. 2 plus 5 at the tens place becomes 7. So it is 79, which is that option. Option number D, rupees 79 is the correct answer. Now there was no problem in this because this was also in rupees and this was also in rupees, so there was no need to convert anything. Both of them could be added because both of them were in rupees. There were no passes involved, so it was easier to add both of these, the amount paid for both of these gift boxes, and we could get rupees 79. Okay, well done, Sanvi, Sarthak, Samarth, well done. You have answered the first question really well. Now the second question. Now the question says a doll costs rupees 19. Jenny has only rupees 15 now. Now what does a doll cost? Rupees 19. Jenny has only rupees 15 now. So for now, Jenny only has rupees 15 in her pocket. How much more money does she need to buy the doll? How much more money does she need to buy the doll? So if she has if the doll is for rupees 19 and she only has rupees 15 with her, how much more money does she need to buy the doll? Yes, Sanvi, yes, Samarth, yes, Sarthak. Come on, guys, I know you can do it. Very easy. Option A given by Sanvi, Sarthak, and Samar. It's not. Can you Sanvi give me the logic? You have written five there, but you have said option A. Can you give me the logic how you solved it? Correct, Sanvi. Correct, Sanvi. Very good. Sarthak and Samarth also have given the answer option A. Anyone else who wants to answer along with the name? Very good. Very good. So you know it that if a doll costs for rupees 19, okay, if a doll costs, no issue, Sanvi. So if a doll costs rupees 19 and I only have rupees 15 now, so how much more money does she need to buy the doll? It is about Jenny, na? A doll costs rupees 19. Jenny has only rupees 15 now. How much more money does she need to buy the doll? So 19 minus. Okay, Sarth. Well done, Sarth. 19 minus 15. This was a subtraction problem because 19 rupees 19 is what the cost of the doll is, and I just have rupees 15 now. So I will need something more. How much more? That for that I'll need to do subtraction. So 19 minus 15 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will become rupees 04 or rupees 4. Isn't it? Which is option number A. Isn't it? So option number A, rupees 4 is the correct answer as Sarthak and Sanvi and Samarth and others have answered. Very well done. All of you. Okay. Now the question says the amount shown here is amount means total. Okay. So in order to so that maybe something is not clear, this is a 20 rupees note. Okay. This is also rupees 20. This I think you can see this is rupees 10, and then this is rupees 5. This is not visible, but this is rupees 5. Now, what is the amount shown here? Amount means the total amount. If I have all these four currency notes taken together, what is the amount that is shown here? So this is how do you how can you get the total amount? The total, that is the keyword here. So Samar, Sarthak, Sanvi, you guys can tell me. Okay, okay, Sarthak, okay, Samarth, okay, Sanvi. So you guys have given your answer. That is D, rupees 55. Very good, very well done. So yes, indeed, it is rupees 55 because yes, Sanvi, very good because you had to add all these currency notes, the value on them up. So if the first note was rupees 20, the second note was rupees 20, the third note was rupees 10, and the fourth note was rupees 5. So it would become 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. This will be equal to rupees 55, isn't it? Which is option number D, rupees 55. Well done, Sanvi and Samarth and Sarthak and everybody else who understood. Very well done. You have done this question nicely. Now, the next question. Again, a similar question. How much money is shown here? Now, this note, if you cannot see it properly, it is rupees 50, although I think it is visible. This is rupees 20, and the rest two coins are also visible. So, tell me how much money is shown in the figure that if you have these two coins, 5 and 1 rupees, and then you have two notes of 50 and 20 rupees. How much is the total money? Anybody else also who is joining us can answer. Come on, guys, you have to write your answer and your name along, like Sanvi and Samarth and Sarthak have written. Okay, Sanvi has answered. Well done. Anybody else who wants to answer? I'll wait 30 seconds for anybody else's answer. Okay, so Sanvi has answered option number C, rupees 76, which is indeed the correct answer. Why? Because this was an addition problem again. Now you have some different types of currency, notes as well as coins, and how much total I have. Yes, Sanvi has given the logic also that it will be equal to 50. The first note was 50, then the second currency note was 20, then the coin was rupees 5, and then another coin was rupees 1. So 50 plus 20 plus 5 plus 1 will become 50 plus 20 is 70 plus 5 is 75 plus 1 is 76. So it will become rupees 76, which is option number C. So if somebody has a 50 rupee note and then a 20 rupee note and then a 5 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin and he needs to buy something for rupees 76, that so he can buy for rupees because in total the total money in his pocket is rupees 76. Well done, guys. Okay, the next question. Okay, now Kanika has rupees 70 with her. She buys the handbag shown here. So the handbag she buys is here. Now the handbag she bought, the price for it is written in this tag, written on this tag. See how much money is left with her. The price tag is here. Okay. So she had rupees 70 with her. If she bought this handbag, how much money is left with her? Come on, answer. Tell me. If you can't see the price on the tag, it is rupees 30. It is written rupees 30 there on that tag. And Kanika had how much money with her? Rupees 70. Now she bought the handbag. How much money is left with her? Because when she buys something, she needs to pay money. Now, if she paid money, some money got, exhausted and some was left. So how much is left? Sanvi has answered. Sarthak Samarth, do you understand this? Yes, Sanvi, very well done. So this was a simple, you could have solved it by simple subtraction because 70 is the money that was with Kanika at the start. Now she bought this bag. So for buying this bag, she had to pay rupees 30 as it is written in the tag. So in order to find the money left, I subtract 30 out of 70. Okay, so 70 minus 30 I do. So 0 minus 0 at the ones place. 0, 7 minus 3 is 4. So yes, very good Samarth and Sarthak. So rupees 40 is the answer. So it was very easy because this was in rupees and what I had to buy was also in rupees. So the units were like, so you could simply subtract them and get the money left, which is option number B. So if Samarth or Sarthak or Sanvi are going to a shopkeeper and they want to buy something for rupees 30 and they have rupees 70 with them, all right, then if they pay him rupees 70, they need to get back rupees 40, isn't it? Okay, Sarthak. Have a glass of water that will help you, Sarthak. Okay, and this question will also help you because see how many things it has. So, which of the following is costlier than the cupcake? Costlier means which costs more, which has for which you have to pay more money. When something is costlier, you have to pay more money for it. Okay, so the cupcake here is for rupees 60. Okay, so if the cupcake is here is for rupees 60, which one of the following is costlier than the cupcake? Is it the pizza or the burger or the cold drink or the chocolate? Which one is costlier? Costlier means for which I have to pay more. Everything has a price tag here. See, everything on the screen has a price tag. So who will tell me which one is costlier than the cupcake? The cupcake is rupees 60. You can say it. So for costlier, if some item is costlier, it means that for that item I have to pay more money than the cupcake. Which is that item? Yes, guys, waiting for your answer. Okay, I think Sanvi and Samarth and Sarthak have answered. Yes, let me check if anybody else is going to answer. Very good, Sanvi, very good. Anyone else who wants to answer? So, yes, great. It is indeed the pizza is costlier. The question was saying the pizza was which one is costlier than the cupcake. So the pizza, the price written here is 85, which is greater than 60, which was the price or the cost of this cupcake. The burger was for rupees 50, which is less than 60, means it is cheaper than the cupcake. When something is cheaper, then what does that mean? It means it costs less than the item I'm comparing it to. And then the cold drink is for rupees 45, which is also cheaper or less than 60. And then there is a chocolate, which is for rupees 30, which is also less than 60. So means the only item which is costlier than rupees 60 is the pizza, which is for rupees 85. And as Sanvi said, it is costlier by 25 rupees. So because 85 minus 60, how much is it costlier than the, if the question is not saying that, but imagine if there was a question that how much costlier it is the pizza than the cupcake. It is 85 minus 60, which is rupees 25. So by rupees 25 it is costly. The pizza is costlier by rupees 20. So if you want to, if you if you have to if you have money for the cupcake and then you have to buy the pizza, you will need 25 more rupees to buy the pizza. Well done, Sanvi. Well done, Sarthak. Well done, Samarth. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now the next question is Anju has this note is for rupees 50. See, it is written here. Maybe if you are not able to see, I'll write it. Anju has how much? Rupees 50. And then Sanyam has rupees. This is written here. It is 20 rupees. Okay. So it is rupees 20. Okay. Just a minute. Now and then, and Preeti has rupees 10, isn't it? This is a 10 rupees note. Okay. Okay, so come. Good. You have answered the question. So Sokam has rupees. Sorry, not Sokam. Preeti has rupees. Soham. Okay, Soham. So Preeti has rupees 10. Who has maximum amount of money? Very easy question. Soham has already answered. Let's see if anybody else is answering, like Sanvi or Samarth or Sarthak. Yes, Soham, well done. Yes, good, Soham. Sanvi, Sarthak, Samarth, do you have an answer for this? That if Anju has rupees 50, Sanyam has rupees 20, and Preeti has rupees 10, who has the maximum amount of money? Very easy. So if Anju has rupees 50, Sanyam has rupees 20, and Preeti has rupees 10, very good. Sanvi and Samarth have also answered, and Soham answered before them also. So option number A, Anju has the maximum amount of money is the right answer. Very good. So, because Anju has how much money? Rupees 50. Sanyam has only 20. Preeti has only 10. So, both of them have less money as compared to Anju. Anju has rupees 50. So, Anju has the maximum money. Very easy. Okay. Now, out of these items, which is the cheapest? Cheapest means which costs least. I told you all costlier is which ask for more money, but cheapest is which costs less money. So there are four items here with the price tags attached. So who will tell me which is the cheapest? Come on, guys, who will tell me which is the cheapest? So there is a, I think there's a swimming goggle, there's a toy aeroplane toy, there is a ladder, and there is a notebook. Which one is the cheapest? Option A, B, C, or D? Okay, Sanvi answer. Anybody else who wants to answer? Cheapest means for which you have to pay the least amount. Okay, Sanvi has answered and Soham has answered, but Soham, I don't think there is 25 is anything's price. I think you mean 35? It's 35 for the notebook. Yes, the notebook is the cheapest. You guys are correct. The notebook is the cheapest, which is for rupees 35. See, the ladder is for rupees 150. The aeroplane toy is for rupees 100. The swimming goggles are for rupees 98. The cheapest thing means the thing for which I have to pay least amount of money. Okay, as Sanvi has written, and is the notebook for which I have to pay only rupees 35, isn't it? So if you have to pay the least amount of money for something, as Soham has written D, very good. D of rupees 35 is the correct option because for this I have to pay the least amount. So this is the cheapest. Good. Now next question that we'll do is that Arman had rupees 50 note, rupees 20 note, and rupees 5 coin and rupees 10 coin. Okay, he bought the following items. How much money was left with him? So, what are the items he bought? He bought this small cake, he bought this sandwich, and he bought this ice cream. So, you have in this question, you have to calculate what is the total amount with Arman. All right, then how much he spent on these items, the pastry, the uh, sandwich and the ice cream, and then you have to see how much is left with him. So how much does he have? He has a 50 rupees note, a 20 rupees note, a 5 rupees coin, and a 10 rupees coin. And then how much does he spend? That is also in front of you. He spends 10 rupees on this pastry, 20 rupees on this sandwich, 30 rupees on the ice cream. So how much is left with him after spending on these three items? So in order to do this question, you need to know how much money was with him at the start, and then you have to subtract the money he spent on the pastry and sandwich and ice cream. Sanvi is saying C 25. Okay, anybody else who wants to answer? Okay, Soham is saying D. So I'm saying D. Sanvi is saying C. Let's check. Let's check. Sarthak Samarth, if you want to answer, you can also say. So, how much money Arman had at the beginning? So, 50 plus 20 plus 5 plus 10. 50 plus 20 is 70, plus 5 is 75, plus 10 is 85. Means at the start, the total money that Arman had is rupees 85. So, 85 rupees is yes, yes, very good, Sanvi. Sanvi has written perfectly that the total was 85. Now, how much did he spend? He spent on the pastry rupees 10, rupees 20 on the sandwich, so 10 plus 20 plus 30 for the ice cream. So total money spent by Arman on these three items is 30 plus 20, 50 plus 10 is 60. So 60 rupees he spent. Now how much money is left with him? So 85 minus 60, because this is the money that was with Soham here, these four things. So I added them up. How much did he spend on these three items? I add this up, their price tags 10 and 20 and 30. How much is left? The total minus he spent. So 85 minus 60. So that will become 5 minus 0 is 5 at the ones place. At the tens place, 8 minus 6, which is 2. So rupees 25 is my correct answer, which is option number C. Well done, Sanvi. Well done, Samarth. And well done, Sarthak. Soham, I think you got this one wrong. It should so you are answering for the earlier question, but this one you got that right. But the notebook, but for this it is rupees 25. Let's do our Sunday bonus question now. Okay, the Sunday bonus question, which is the last question of the day, is that the Ria had a 10 rupees note. This is a 10 rupees note and a 5 rupees coin. See, this is a 5 rupees coin. It's written here. Maybe it was not that visible to you. If the cost of an eraser is rupees 5, then how many erasers can she buy? So if the cost of one eraser is rupees 5 and she has this much money, a note of rupees 10 and a coin of rupees 5, how many erasers can she buy? So you know how much total money she has. If she has a 10 rupees note and a 5 rupees coin, and the cost of eraser is rupees 5. So cost of each eraser is rupees 5. Sanvi says A3. So hum look at the question. There is no option as 25. Look at the question, what I am asking. Sanvi has given the answer. Okay, anybody else who wants to answer? Yes, Sarthak, it is A. So, Sanvi, well done. Sarthak, well done. So, what the question was that if Ria had 10 rupees note and 5 rupees coin, means in total 10 plus 5 rupees she has. That is rupees 15, isn't it? And and the cost of the eraser is rupees 5. So, one eraser costs rupees 5. Then how many erasers can she buy with rupees 15? Isn't it? Because in total she has rupees 15. So, she can buy, we have to divide 15 into 5s. So we can say 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3, meaning option A, 3 erasers. Or you could do like this, 15 rupees she had. So if she bought one eraser, it would become 15 minus 5. So 5 rupees was out. So now 10 rupees are left. Now out of 10, I subtract another eraser. So 10 minus 5 is 5, so now 5 rupees are left. And then if I buy one more eraser, I subtract 5 more, so it will become 15 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. So one eraser, two erasers, and three erasers. So in total, she bought three erasers she can buy with rupees 15. So which is option number A, that she can buy three erasers. Well done, Sanvi, Sarthak, Samarth, and Soham also, who has tried his best, and especially Sanvi and Samarth and Sarthak, who have done really well this morning. And you had a very good interactive session on YouTube Live of me and Math, and I hope you understood some concepts. And thank you for joining us, guys. And you guys did great. And see you next week. Right? Bye bye. Take care. See you next week.